The final phase of all 4 of the MRP assignments is follow-up. And the types of correspondence that you are likely to receive in this phase are the same for the first 3 assignments. For the last assignment, the only type of correspondence that you will receive is a receipt for your work. Take a look at the 3 emails that you see before you. And the first one, music appreciation receipt for your first MRP assignment, for your second MRP assignment, third MRP, fourth MRP, is what you can expect to receive within 2 days of your submitting an assignment to me. So, after you submit an assignment, check your email for the next 2 days to see if you receive a receipt for it. Now, when you receive this type of a message, for heaven's sake, open and read it. I don't know why people don't read their email these days. However evocative or informative the title may be, you still have to open it to see what's in the message itself. So please do read all of your correspondence. Don't read just the titles of them. Now, for the first 3 assignments, you will receive one or both of the next 2 emails that you see here. Now, if something is amiss with your assignment after you submit it to me, if I open it and I find that something is wrong with it, you will receive an email entitled Music Appreciation MRP Assignment 01, 02, 03, Corrections Required. Now notice that the word required is in the title. The process of correction is not optional. You absolutely have to make the corrections that are required in order to go on to the next assignment. So if you should receive a message of this sort, open it immediately, and if more than one correction is required, make a printout of that message and then make the necessary corrections, store the document, and resubmit the assignment. Again, people, if there's more than one correction that is required, make sure that you print out the document and make all of the corrections before you resubmit the assignment. Some students in the past have had to resubmit their assignments, not just once, but twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and even more times because they have forgotten to do one of the corrections each time. You really have to have a printed or a written list of corrections in front of you to make sure that you do all of them. Now, at the end of the process, and this of course might occur right after I take a look at your assignment, once it is perfect, it might be perfect on the first submission or some subsequent submission, you will receive a message from me entitled Music Appreciation Confirmation concerning your first MRP assignment. Now, you will actually have to open this message to see what it contains in it. Yes, confirmation will indicate that I have accepted that particular assignment, first, second, or third assignment. But you have to open it to read it to see what the next assignment is. This is where you will find, once you receive this for the first MRP assignment, this is where you will find the second MRP assignment. If this is the confirmation for your second MRP assignment, this is where you are going to find your third MRP assignment, and so on. You absolutely must open your email. And please remember, follow-up should begin immediately after you submit your assignments to me. First, look for a receipt for each of your assignments, all 4 of them. You should receive a receipt from me within 2 days. If you don't, you can be pretty sure that I haven't received it, and I suggest that you write to me and that you submit it again. Now, for the first 3 assignments, there is a possibility that you might have to do corrections for it. Make sure you open the assignment, print it out if more than one correction is required and do them. And finally, whenever you receive a confirmation from me, make sure that you open that assignment and read it in its entirety, because it will contain the directions for the next MRP assignment.